Hi, my name is Nicole Bertel. I'm a student here at Shepherd University. I'm in English 102, Section 13 with Professor Shira. This is my presentation on my problem solution report about bullying within your own athletic communities. Bullying has been terrorizing our students for as long as anyone can remember. Now it lurks in our children's athletic communities. This issue of abuse targets vulnerable youth athletes between 6 to 18 years old. This picture shows a youth athlete experiencing bullying. Within this presentation, I will provide solutions to solve this increasing epidemic, then conclude with an ultimatum to either adopt my solution at hand or to allow this problem to flourish. This is another image of a youth athlete getting bullied by their own teammates. To show you the overview of the community, there are 45 million youth athletes ranging from the age 6 to 18 years old. There are approximately 8 million people in Virginia. 23.4% of this 8 million are 18 and under. Centerville High School makes up one of 22 schools in Fairfax County. This school offers 18 available sports, including softball. The 2017 Centerville High School softball varsity team is shown in the provided picture. The problem at hand is youth athletes experiencing bullying within their own athletic communities. According to the Below the Whistle on Child Abuse campaign by Child Health, 40 to 50% of players will experience some variation of bullying. Athletes feel the need to be on top, and some will take down others to reach this goal. Youth athletes will allow their coaches to push them in inhumane ways because it's believed that that's the best way to succeed. The picture shown is a coach aggressively screaming at his own players. How this problem affects the community is youth athletes who were bullied within their own sport experience the same effects of a student who's being bullied in school. Bullying takes a life-changing toll on a growing individual, emotionally and physically. These feelings include being angry, desperate, alone, and more. Youth athletes have positive effects on their players when they provide them a safe environment. But when the vulnerable youth athletes are robbed from their safe place, it leaves a mark that stays with them forever. This problem of bullying within sports should be addressed because children use sports as an escape from reality, but these abusers steal this crucial escape from vulnerable children and make it into a threatening atmosphere. The provided picture is a sad youth athlete and his athletic community. As previously stated, almost half of all youth athletes go through some variation of harassment throughout their career. No matter what type of abuse youth athletes go through, the effects leave a negative impact on them forever. My 3 solutions include following the tactics of Boston versus bullying. This is an anti-bullying initiative that utilizes Boston professional athletes and publicizes their experience with bullying to show youth athletes that bullying does occur and it should no longer go unnoticed. My next solution is providing crucial bullying prevention information and strategies that every athlete needs to know to stand strong when faced with this abuse. This information can be featured on current bullying prevention programs that run in our schools because our students make up our youth athletes. My last one requires a feature of information of what signs and symptoms players should recognize if a fellow teammate is a victim of this abuse. Interactive activities can help kids practice the skills that are needed to effectively prevent and stop this abuse. The proposed solution is for our schools to feature an athletic aspect in their bullying prevention programs that are currently ran instead of replacing it with Boston versus bullying because it would be harder to achieve due to monetary reasons as well as relying on other people to approve of it. Adding a feature of bullying in young athletes' communities is more feasible due to the fact that it would just be an add-on to the already present bullying prevention programs that are presented to our students. Our students are the youth athletes that are getting victimized. Our schools have 2 options: to either adopt the proposed solution of adding an athletic feature to the present bullying prevention programs that run in our schools, or to not adopt the proposed practices that address the increasing role of bullying that terrorizes our youth athletes. Adopting the proposed solution will spread awareness and reduce the number of victims that fall to this life-changing abuse that constantly occurs in our athletic communities. We go the extra mile to make sure our kids feel safe in school. Why are we not doing the same to make sure they feel safe in a place that's supposed to be an escape? This is my references. This is my last page of references. Thank you for listening.